Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're tired of juggling multiple makeup products in your bag or bathroom drawer, then today's review might just be a game changer. We're talking about the Physicians Formula Butter Glow and Go Multi-Use Stick in the gorgeous shade Sunkissed Rose. This multi-use stick promises to do it all: contour, bronzer, blush, eyeshadow, and even lip color. Basically, it's your all-in-one beauty fix in a stick. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes this product stand out. First off, the formula is packed with some luxurious nutrient-rich ingredients like Murumuru butter, Cupuaçu butter, and Tucuma butter. These aren't just trendy buzzwords. They're all derived from the Amazon, and they're known for their high concentration of essential fatty acids and provitamins that help to soften, condition, and deeply hydrate your skin. So, from the get-go, you're getting a skincare boost with this stick, not just makeup. In terms of performance, I was honestly impressed by how buttery smooth this product applies. The texture is ultra creamy, and it blends into the skin like a dream. No harsh lines or streaks. Whether you're using it for a quick swipe of bronzer, a touch of blush, or even as a lip color, the product glides on effortlessly and gives you that radiant, dewy finish. So how does it hold up in real life? I tested this out for a few days, wearing it in different conditions: morning rush, midday touch-ups, and evening events. And I was really happy with how it performed across the board. The stick is compact, making it super easy to throw into your bag for a quick touch-up without taking up much space. And when applied, the finish was beautiful, glowy but not too oily looking, which can sometimes be an issue with products that claim to be moisturizing. Now, let's dive into the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the texture and blendability are top-notch. The creamy formula really makes it easy to apply, whether you're using your fingers, a brush, or a sponge. It's also a fantastic product for anyone with sensitive skin. Physicians Formula is known for being gentle on the skin, and this product is no exception. The inclusion of Murumuru butter and other natural ingredients really helps with that skin softening, hydrating effect, leaving your face looking fresh and radiant. On the flip side, one potential con is that the product, while versatile, might not work for everyone depending on their skin tone. The Sunkissed Rose shade is beautiful, but it's more on the warm, peachy side, so those with cooler undertones or deeper complexions might not find it as flattering as others. Also, if you're someone who prefers a more matte finish, you might want to skip this, as it definitely gives a glowy, dewy look. Let's talk about value for money. At first glance, the price might seem a bit steep for a multi-use stick, but when you consider the convenience of having one product replace several in your makeup bag, it does start to make sense. Plus, the high-quality ingredients used in the formula justify the price, especially if you're someone who cares about skin-friendly makeup. If you break it down, you're paying for a product that's not only versatile, but also nourishes your skin, so the price tag feels more reasonable. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are definitely alternatives. There are some great drugstore options like the Maybelline Color Show Blush Stick, which has a similar creamy texture, although it doesn't pack quite the same punch in terms of skincare benefits. But if you're someone who's willing to splurge a little for the added benefits of Murumuru butter and other nourishing ingredients, then the Butter Glow and Go stick is a solid choice. As for build quality, the stick itself is sturdy, and the packaging is sleek, perfect for throwing into your bag without worrying about it breaking. The formula is long-lasting too. I found that it stayed put throughout the day, and the dewy finish didn't fade or separate, even after a few hours of wear. Now, a word on customer support. While I haven't had direct experience with Physicians Formula's customer service, the brand is known for its good reputation in responding to customer queries and concerns. They take care in crafting products that are both high quality and gentle on the skin, and it shows. So, what's the final verdict? If you're looking for a versatile, skin-loving product that can do it all, then the Physicians Formula Butter Glow and Go Multi-Use Stick is definitely worth considering. It's especially great for those with sensitive skin who want something that blends beautifully and adds a radiant glow without irritation. However, if you prefer a more matte finish, or if you have deeper or cooler skin tones, this might not be the best fit for you. But if you can work with the shade and love a glowy, dewy finish, this stick is a must-try. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. And if you've tried the Physicians Formula Butter Glow and Go Stick, drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.